welcome back to my channel, you guys. It is, what's today's date? It's April 21st, so I guess you guys have already guessed I've moved into my new apartment. I already showed you guys like me packing up and everything. I figured the unpacking portion was pretty boring, and it's still kind of a mess in here. I'm still getting stuff cleaned and organized. I still have stuff that I need to get rid of, so I've just been doing that. It was a little bit annoying because I had to wait a couple of days to get my Wi-Fi hooked up. I was having some issues with that and I was getting so frustrated, but now that that's all squared away, I'm good now to do everything, to work, all of that. I've just been putting stuff together. You know, that took a lot of time though, waiting for the Wi-Fi, because I had to work from the other apartment for a couple of days, and it just took a lot of time going back and forth. I didn't have the energy or the motivation. I didn't put my bed frame up yet. I got a new dresser. I haven't put that up yet. I just put up my computer desk, so you know. So yesterday I actually had an event with Uncle Funky's daughter. They had a yoga event that was really fun. Beginning of the month, I'm pretty sure y'all didn't want to continue watching me pack up the apartment and stuff like that. I felt like that stuff was kind of boring, so the end of the month consists of me moving in my new apartment. That's first. This weekend I will be working the natural hair show representing Uncle Funky's daughter, so I'm excited about that. This will be my first time at the natural hair show, which I always wanted to go to the natural hair show, and I'll be working it. Literally the next day I'm gonna be flying out to New Orleans because I have a convention with my job, so that's gonna be really fun. I'm super excited about that, and I'm gonna take you guys with me as well. I don't know how much I'm gonna show you guys because it's a work trip, you know. I still have to pack and everything, so it's just a lot going on right now, and like all in the same week, because all the rest of April I wasn't doing much but just working and packing and trying to sell extra stuff that I have in my apartment. Now I'm still selling stuff and just getting rid of things. And let me show you guys a little bit of the apartment. Let me show you a little bit. I got some stuff done, so I can't show you every nook and cranny because it's a mess right now. let's see the kitchen. Alright you guys, so this is the kitchen. And I'm still working on some things. I'm gonna show you guys my closet as well. Okay, so right now I'm in the process of clearing out the closet as far as the clothes and adding in more summer clothes, because right now it's still fall winter stuff. So we're still working on the closet. When I get finished with the closet, I will show you guys the finishing part of the closet. And I guess I'll show you my favorite part. This is the bathroom. Let me turn on the light here. Okay, so this is the bathroom. I actually made this right here. This jar, I made that. Just had to show you. I love this tub. This is the bathtub. This is so spacious. Let me bring it back so you guys can see. It's giving spa-like to me, which I love, because that's exactly what I feel like a home should feel like for me. You know, I had to add in my shower head too. Love the shower head, and it goes perfectly. So that's it so far, all I'm willing to show. But you guys will, I mean, I'm here for a year or more, depending on how much I really like it. And also depending on what life throws at me, because you never know, it might be home ownership next year. I have no idea. I'm loving it. It's very quiet here. It was quiet at my last apartment too, but this is even more quiet. The walls are not as thin, and I love that. I don't really hear my neighbors. I wonder if they hear me. I have no idea, but because I've been up late at night too building stuff, so. But yeah, oh, I love my new desk too. I gotta show you guys. I got this ergonomic desk from Amazon. So the one that you press the button. I can show you. Let me just show you. Okay, so this is the ergonomic desk, and you can adjust the height settings. And it moves so smooth too. Like, it's not loud. Sometimes I'm pressing it, I don't realize that it's moving because it moves so smooth. But yeah, I think this is pretty cool. And then I have a white chair too. Yeah, figured I'd get the white hardware to match the chair. Love it. And then that's just my dog's pillow, her bed. She likes to lay down underneath me when I'm working. So this is pretty cool, guys. Amazon. I'll leave the links below to my Amazon store. Probably today, well, on my lunch break, I'm gonna head over to the old apartment, and I got a couple items that I'm selling out of there. I'm selling it on a couple different platforms, but it's just stuff I want to get rid of because I'm like, I'm not gonna use it, so might as well just go ahead and sell that stuff. Trying to release being a hoarder. I no longer want to be a hoarder. Just want to live more minimally. Even with my hair products, you guys, like I threw out a lot of hair products and I still have a lot of hair products. I still got 3 boxes full of hair products. So yeah, it's Friday and just try my best to get as much stuff done in this apartment before I go out of town. I just don't, I want everything done before I leave so that when I come back, everything is done. I could just unwind and just, you know, truly enjoy my apartment. I don't know if you guys have formally met Galaxy, but I will allow you to meet her now. My puppy. If you're on Instagram, you've seen her. And this is Galaxy. Say hi. She's chilling. Hello. Spice cabinet. Don't know what to do with there. A lot of pantry space. You know, put stuff up there that I don't need to grab for often, obviously, because you know. But I would say it's still pretty short people friendly. I put the snacks at the bottom for a reason. Plates and bowls. I'm still trying to figure out this countertop area. I don't know if this looks a little crowded, but I want to make sure my Keurig is there because I like to make my tea. My plates and stuff. Some cups. And again, don't know what to do with those. Highly recommend if you have a pet. This is an electronic feeder, so I can set the times on what time to feed her. And then this right here is a little water fountain. I thought this is so cute. And she loves it so far. So she doesn't even like drink water a lot, but I feel like this is making her want to drink her water more. She seems to enjoy it. Okay, so this is my fridge organization. I got these organizers actually from Marshall's, and I got some from Home Goods too. I do have a little mini haul to show you some of the things I got from there. That's on my IG page. Follow CoCoButterCurls_1. Just some little, you know, very vegan friendly fridge organization. I definitely recommend these containers. So this one's glass, and this one is plastic. I put my avocados in there. I am loving these. The lady in the store said I would love them, so I just stored my fruit in there. You see raspberries, and then I got one at the bottom too to store blueberries, and then I got grapes right here. I love those. I don't know what I'm gonna make with sweet potatoes and plantains, but I am gonna try to make my dog's food now, so we're gonna see how that goes too. I just stored some already cut onion in there, but I really like the glass containers, like for storing already like cut up fruit and stuff. And then these ones I just left open, so these are stackable, so that was pretty cool. So I got cucumbers and tomatoes in there. So yes, also check out my Pinterest too. I posted like some organization ideas and stuff. Like I've just been getting very inspired, you guys. So once I get out all the content that I already have bulked for you guys, maybe I'll try some organizational videos or something, because that has been making me feel really good as of lately too, just to be organized and just everything have a place. I love that. Love that for me. All right, that's it. Bye. Good morning, you guys. Right now is 8 o'clock in the morning. My flight is at 1:30 and I still have to pack. I threw some stuff in a suitcase. I didn't necessarily pack. I will see you guys in New Orleans.
I need you.